Converting a Figma design into a Shopify store without coding is possible using design-to-code tools and Shopify-compatible page builders. Here's how. Prepare your Figma design. Ensure your Figma design is well organized. Use proper naming conventions for layers, components, and assets. Export necessary assets in web-friendly formats. Use a design-to-code tool. Utilize tools like Anima, Zeppelin, or Figma plugins that generate HTML or CSS code from your design. Export your design as a Shopify-compatible theme layout. If the tool supports Shopify integration, it simplifies the process. Upload to a Shopify page builder. Use Shopify page builders like Pagefly, Shogun, or GemPages. These tools offer drag-and-drop functionality and allow you to recreate your Figma layout visually. Integrate components. Add Shopify elements like product collections, buttons, and forms. Use the page builder's pre-designed widgets to match your Figma design without writing code. Test and publish. Preview the store to ensure the design is responsive and functional across devices. Make adjustments using the page builder's tools and publish when ready.